Can you add a clickable link in Instagram Reels? Hello and welcome to Whizz. In this video we will see that is it possible to add a clickable link in the Instagram Reels. So please watch till the end to properly understand the video. So I'm gonna try to upload a reel and try to add a clickable link on it. So now I'm gonna go to stickers, and here in stickers there is sticker for caption, poll, quiz, react, gif, time and etc. If I try to search here for link, there is no sticker for link. This is just a emoji, so it looks like there is no sticker for link. That means we can't add a clickable link on Instagram Reels. Now the only thing you can do is just tap next, and in the caption you can write check out the link in my bio. So you can add a link in your bio and you can write in caption to check out the link. And so this is the only way you can make people to check your link. So this was it for this video. Thanks for watching.